Whoa. And this is right outside my apartment. And I'm trying to show you how shiz. I nearly built myself. But there's a lot of snow past me right now. And it's blowing and drifting in the wind. And yeah, it's blizzard outside. And I'm gonna need to grab a glove because I'm retarded for not putting one on in the first place. But take a moment here to steadily record this. There we are. At least there's a glove on one of my hands. So yeah, it's absolutely insane outside. There's snow blowing off the roof and snow blowing past the camera like crazy. If you can't see it, there's snow blowing off that roof right there in front of us. The brown house looks like a tornado, but it's more so of a snow-nado. And it's about 3:01 in the afternoon. There's a mailman. Good luck doing your job. Gotta keep remembering there's not a step after. Gonna give you a look at the scenery.